Quisha, you are such a bitch. I just can't even
Lydia,
handle.
I'm gonna have to ask you to stop right there. The words, you sound very angry, and the words you're saying to Quaisha sound very hurtful. We agreed that this is going to be a safe and comfortable environment for us to talk in, and right now you're not showing that. Okay. Okay, guys, before we get started with today's activity, does anybody have anything to say before we move on?
I do. Last time, Lydia was being so rude, and I have something to tell her about it.
Okay. It sounds like you have an issue with Lydia. Lydia, you look very surprised. Will it be okay with both of y'all if we work this out as a group together?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Niklasha, why don't you tell Lydia a specific time what made you feel this way?
Lydia, last week, when I was sharing my story about my grandparents, I saw you roll your eyes, and I didn't like that very much, and I thought it was very rude.
Okay, and how do you feel right now?
I felt very disrespected, and I felt very sad. I really wish you wouldn't have done that because I felt hurt by your words or your actions.
Okay, thank you for sharing. Lydia, can you mirror what you heard Niklasha say to you?
I heard you say that you were telling your story about your grandparents and you saw me roll my eyes, and that upset you and made you feel very hurt and disrespected.
Okay, thank you. And how do you feel right now?
Sad, because I think it was more that I've also had a lot going on with my grandparents, and I was more so thinking about what I'm going through and not rolling my eyes at you, more at my own situation that it reminded me of.
And Niklasha, can you mirror what Lydia has just said to you?
Yes, I heard you say that you weren't rolling your eyes at you, but you were going through a similar issue. So you're rolling your eyes at that.
Okay, thank you guys for sharing your thoughts and feelings about the situation. Okay, guys. Today we're gonna do an activity. This is our second time meeting as a group, and today I thought it would be kind of fun to do an activity to see more or less how your feelings are about the group. And what I want y'all to do is take a marker, pass it around. I'm gonna give you a sheet of paper, and this activity is called circles. Right there. There you go. And what I want you to do is draw a circle and divide the circle into several pieces and color the circle in different colors of how your feelings are or they represent in the group. So basically just draw a circle and you can cut into fours and then color the circle into several pieces on your feelings. Colors represent certain feelings, how you feel in the group. And you can use different colors. I'll give you a few minutes to do that. Okay. Does anybody want to share what their colors represent?
I do.
Okay.
So right here, this green taking up the first quadrant of my circle represent my hesitance to opening up and sharing within this group. And then the rest of the blue, that's the rest of my circle, represent my willingness to now share now that I've connected with you guys.
Okay. Anybody else?
Sure, I'll go next. Okay. I would say like 3/4 of my circle, I colored it blue because blue means happy to me. And I feel very happy that I joined the group, and I feel like I have come a long way in learning new skills. And then this little unshaded part represents my sadness for the group coming to an end.
I kind of divided mine into four, and the top half is the way that I feel now, and that I feel a little bit relieved after starting this group and happy that I'm here. But the other half is how I came into this group feeling. And I wrote angry and sad, but not towards the group, just with my own situation.
Okay. And after hearing everybody speak, did anybody find that they connected with somebody?
I connected with Lydia.
Okay. Can you tell Lydia how you connected with her, please?
Lydia, I connected with you because I too feel angry and sad, which is why I'm here.
And Lydia, how does that make you feel? I think we should connect with you.
Makes me feel happy to know that I'm not the only one coming in with those feelings.
Thank you all for sharing.